Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Today we are going to have our next lecture, lecture number 35, and we will continue our exercise 3.1 from question number 6. Basically, you have question number 6 and 7, they are similar, so we can take one question from these two. Question number 6. In question number 6, A is equal to Aij 3 by 3. If A is equal to Aij 3 by 3, you know that what is meant by Aij. I mean row, J mean column. 3 by 3 mean 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the order of your matrix. So Aij can be written as A11, A12, A13. A11 mean first row, first column. 1, 1. A12 mean first row, second column. A13 mean first row, third column. Similarly, we have A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is your given matrix Aij 3 by 3, mean 3 rows and 3 columns. This is your matrix A. Show that part number 1, 2, 3, there are the 3 parts are given. So we can take any one part from here. So part number 1, lambda into mu A is equal to lambda mu into A. So you can take left hand side, we will bring right hand side. Lambda into mu A. Lambda into mu, and this is A. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So dear students, you have lambda. Take this mu inside and multiply every element by mu. Mu A11, mu A12, mu A13. Similarly, mu A21, mu A22, mu A23, mu A31, mu A32, mu A33. In the next step, bring this lambda inside also. Multiply each element by lambda. Here is lambda mu A11, lambda mu A12, lambda mu A13. Lambda mu A21, lambda mu A22, and lambda mu A23. Similarly, lambda mu A31, lambda mu A32, and lambda mu A33. Now from the matrix, take lambda mu common. And we are left with inside A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And you know that this is lambda mu, and what is inside? That is equal to capital A. This is the name of your matrix. So is equal to right hand side Dear students, we started from left hand side and reached to the right hand side. That was your part number 2, or rather part number 1 of question number 6. After that, I hope that you can do other parts. Similarly, in question number 7, you have Aij 2 by 3, Bij 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. We have question number 7 is equal to Aij 2 by 3, B is equal to Bij 2 by 3. Remember that in case of Aij 2 by 3 means 2 rows, 3 columns, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is your matrix according to given order, 2 rows and 3 columns. Similarly, you can write down B11, B12, B13. Here is B21, B22, B23. So this is matrix A and this is B, and I hope that you can complete this question easily by multiplying with lambda and taking common and like that. After that you have question number 8 and 9. Question number 8 and 9 are similar. Now I am taking question number 9. Question number 9 is, if A is equal to 1 minus 1 AB, A is equal to 1 minus 1 AB, and A square is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, then find A and B. This is the question. If A is equal to this, A square is equal to this, and find A and B. Now you can write down A square as A into A. What is A? 1 minus 1 AB, then 1 minus 1 AB. Here is A square, putting the value of A square, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0 and 0, 1. Now dear students, this is the multiplication of two matrices. Take first row, then first column and second column. Now I am writing down directly first into first, that is 1, plus second into second, minus A. First into first, 1 into 1 is 1, second into second is minus 1 into A is minus A. Similarly, first into first, then second into second, that is minus B. Similarly, first into first plus second into second, A plus AB, then first into first, minus A plus B square. Remember that first into first plus second into second, second into second. And here is comparing both sides we get. Remember that first is equal to first. 1 is equal to 1 minus A. And second is equal to second. 0 is equal to minus 1 minus B. Third is equal to third, no need of that because we can find A and B from here directly. And fourth is equal to fourth, no need to write down. Bring A here, 1 minus 1, and bring B to the left hand side. Here is A is equal to 0 and B is equal to minus 1. That's your answer. I hope that you can solve the other question. Question number 8, exactly like that. By comparing, it will be easy for you. Because in question number 8, you are given a null matrix. Everything will be equal to 0 like that. After that, we have question number 10. A and B are given, then show that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. If A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, and B is equal to 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 1. 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and minus 1. Show that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. In left hand side you will add A and B first and then you take transpose. In right hand side you will take transpose of A and B first, then you add them after taking transpose. This is the difference. So left hand side is equal to A plus B whole transpose. You can write down, there is A, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, plus B is 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, and whole transpose. Now you can add them, first plus first, second plus second, third plus third, fourth plus fourth, fifth plus fifth, and sixth minus 6 whole transpose. Here is 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, and 2, 1, 5, 0. And this is transpose. Remember that now you can apply the transpose. First row becomes first column. 3, 2, 2. Second row becomes second column. 1, 5, and 0. This is your left hand side. Dear students, that was your left hand side. Here you added A and B first and then taken transpose after the addition process. Now we can have right hand side. In case of right hand side, you will take transpose first and then you add them. Right hand side, A transpose plus B transpose. You can write down 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 1 transpose plus, what about B? 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and minus 1, that is transpose. Now you can take, first row become first column, 1 minus 1 and 2, 0, 3, and 1. In second, first row become first column, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and minus 1. After that, You add them. First plus first, 1 plus 2. I am writing down directly. 1 plus 2. First plus first is 3. 0 plus 1 is 1. Here is second plus second and third plus third. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. And fourth plus fourth, 3 plus 2 is 5. Similarly, fifth plus fifth is 2 plus 0 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. You can check. That was your left hand side. Here it is, right hand side. Hence, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have this question number 10 of your exercise 3.1. Now we are moving to our next question. Question number 11. In case of question number 11, we have to find A3 and A is given. In question number 11, you have to find A3. If A is given 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, and minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Remember that A square is equal to A into A. 1, 1 and 3, 5, 2 and 6, minus 2, minus 1 and minus 3. Again, 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 1 and minus 3. Now dear students, this is the multiplication of 3 by 3 matrices. Here is first row, first column, first row, second column, and first row and then third column. Remember that I am writing down directly first into first plus second into second plus third into third. First into first is 1 plus second into second plus 5 plus third into third is minus 6. Then again, first into first, second column now. First row, second column. First into first plus second into second plus third into third. So 1 plus 2 minus 3. 1 plus 2 minus 3. Then first row and third column. First into first plus second into second plus third into third. So we have 3 plus 6 minus 9. Then the term of second row. First into first, 5 plus second into second is 2 into 5, 10. So 5 plus 10 minus 12. 5 plus 10 minus 12. Again, second row, second column. 5 plus 4 minus 6. Yes. 5 plus 4 minus 6. Then multiplying first by first. 15 plus 12 minus 18. 15 plus 12 minus 18. Then the term of third row. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Then minus 2 plus 3. Yes. First into first, minus 2 plus second into second, minus 2 plus 3. Then minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 plus 9. minus 6 plus 9. So we have 1 plus 5, 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. This is 0, 0, and 9 minus 9 is again 0 here. We have 15 minus 12, 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then what will be? 27 minus 18 is 9. 27 minus 18 is 9. Minus 6 and yes. Here is minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus 12 plus 9 is minus 3. So that was our A square. That is our A square. After that we have to find A cube. So in case of A cube, we can write down A into A square. And A square we have already formed. This one. This is A square. A cube is equal to A into A square. So we have 0, 3, 1, 0, 3 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 1. Here is 0, 3 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 1, 0, 9 minus 3. Now we have to multiply these matrices again. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, and third column. Now we can have first into first plus second into second plus third into third. First into first plus second into second plus third into third. Then again, first into first plus second into second plus third into third. 0 plus 3 minus 3. First into first plus second into second plus third into third minus 9. The term of second row. First into first plus second into second plus third into third. 0 plus 6 minus 6. 0 plus 6 minus 6. Then 0 plus 6 minus 6 again. 0 plus 6 minus 6. Then 0 plus 18 minus 18. Then we can take the third row, multiply them one by one. This is 0 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3. 0 minus 3 plus 3. Then 0 minus 3 plus 3. 0 minus 3 plus 3. Then 0 minus 9 plus 9. So all members are cancelled out. Basically, this is a null matrix of order 3. It is also known as O3. O null matrix of order 3, O3. That's your answer of your question number 10, or rather 11. After that, we have question number 12 and 13. They are exactly same, and I think question number 13 is more technical. So we can select question number 13. In case of question number 13, first part you can check from the book. First part, second row is same in both the matrices 0, 0, 0, 0, you can omit this row number 2. Then you are left with 5 minus 1, 3, 1 and 3 minus 7, 7, 2. And this will become exactly according to your part number 2 of question number 12. Second row in both matrices on both sides will be omitted. Then you will have exactly same on question like part number 2 in question number 12. Now we have question number 13, part number 2. We have to find A. Two minus one, 2. 2 minus 1, and 2. Here is A. 0 minus 3, 8. And 3, 3 and minus 7. 3, 3 and minus 7. Dear students, you can check. This is our given equation. Two matrices are given on left and right side, and A is to find out. This A is to be find out. Name this first matrix as B and right hand side as C. You have to shift B matrix to right hand side, so be careful. You multiply both sides with B inverse on left side particularly. Remember that B inverse must be multiplied on left side of your given letters A and C. So B inverse B is I identity matrix, and that is B inverse C, or A is equal to B inverse C. Now you have equation number 1. First of all, we will find B inverse, and answer will be multiplied by C. So how do you find B inverse? For finding B inverse, first of all you have to find B determinant, because if B is similar, its determinant will become 0 and this solution will not be possible. Remember that. This is also discussed in the previous class, class 9. So B determinant is 2 minus 1 and 2. We have AD minus BC. That is 3, not equal to 0. B inverse is possible. Now we have to find B inverse. Actually this is adjoint B over B determinant. What is adjoint B? Interchanging the places of A and D and changing the signs of B and C, 1 and 1, and B determinant is 3. This is B inverse. Now dear students, we have to apply the values here in equation number 1 on right hand side. To find our required value, that is A is equal to, using values in equation 1, A is equal to B inverse. What about B inverse? 2, 1, 1, 2 over 3. And C is, this is C. This is over 3. A is equal to over 3. Remember that here are 2 columns, here are 2 rows. I told you this is the rule for multiplication. First row, first column, then second column, and then third column. First into first plus second into second. First 2 into 0 is 0 plus second into second. 1 into 3 is 3. 0 plus 3. Then first into first again. Minus 6 plus 3. First into first plus second into second. Minus 6 plus 3. I am writing down directly. First into first 16 plus second into second minus 7. 16 minus 7. Similarly, the term of second row. First into first plus second into second. 0 plus 6. First into first plus second into second. Minus 6 plus 6. No. Minus 3. First into first. First into first minus 3 plus 2 into 3 is 6. Then first into first 8 minus 14. And we are left with A is equal to 3 minus 3 and 9. 3 minus 3 and 9. Here is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 and minus 6 divided by 3. Each term is divided by 3. Remember that. 3 by 3. 1 minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. 9 by 3 is 3. Then 6 by 3 is 2. 3 by 3 is 1 and minus 2. That's your answer of A. Dear students, I hope that you understood this question and you can solve the question. Next question very easily. In case of next question, you multiply left hand side the two matrices and at the end you will have r cos square phi plus r sin square phi. You will take r common and cos square phi plus sin square phi will be equal to 1. So in this way you will have r 0 0, 0 r 0 and 0 0 r. So you will take r common from left hand side and you will get r into 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. That will be equal to I3. So your right hand side is Ri3. I hope that you can complete this question and inshallah in the next lecture we will start our next exercise. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.